Today I'm going to show you how I changed the filter on my LG ThinQ washing machine. Here we have the washing machine. The filter is just located right beneath the drum. And ours is up on a pedestal, so I put some towels underneath to help with any leakage or drainage. First thing we're going to do is open the filter. And you'll see you have this tube here. You can go ahead and pull it out, and then we will empty the water. So we'll go ahead and remove the cap. Make sure you keep that somewhere safe. And then you'll let that drain. So you can see all that gross water we released. You're gonna want to move the tube around a bit to release more of the water. You can see all that gunk that came out. And once that's fully drained, then we will empty the filter. We'll now empty the filter, and you're gonna wanna keep a towel handy in case there's any leaking. We'll go ahead and twist. And it will show you the arrows to open. So we'll go ahead and clean this off, and then we'll scrub in there. We'll go ahead and rinse. You can see it's nice and clean. And we'll go ahead and clean this out in here. You can use a toothbrush or rag. Just want to wipe it all out. Make sure to get the seal nice and clean. If you've got a toothbrush or something to get into those tight crevices. Wipe it all dry. You'll want to put it flat side down into the machine, and then you twist to close. Want to make sure it's sealed nice and tight. Can't turn it anymore. We'll go ahead and put the cap on. And then insert it into the little clip. Again, you just want to check that the cap is on and that it's twisted close. Give it one more wipe down. Dry it off. Should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.